Hey there, Greymates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Berner's Pickaxe in Crimson Desert. Now, for you to get the blueprint for the pickaxe, you actually have to liberate Fort Manob right here. And it is connected to a quest line over on the faction quest, over on the Crimson Desert right here, and the Lords of the Unclaimed Land. Once you've done the quest, the Master of Mass, which is pretty much what you'll get once you've liberated the entire Fort Manob, you will be able to liberate the entire area, and then Berner right here will spawn in the same fort. Now, a word of caution here, this boss is a little bit difficult since she is inside the Crimson Desert region. So you're going to have to at least have your weapons and your gears at a pretty much high level, maybe somewhere between upgraded from level 6 to level 8, or more preferably over to the max level of those gears. Now, a word of caution, you don't have to clear out the other areas, you only need to liberate Fort Manob right here to unlock Berner, or at least to get the other NPCs inside the area. Now, the next thing that you are going to do is give him a gift that will raise his trust all the way to trust 100. I'm just going to use 2 gold bars. And now that my trust is at 100, go over to his shop, press down buy. You should be able to find the blueprint right here, Berner's Pickaxe. Buy it, and then check over to your inventory, and then learn the recipe by opening up the book. And as you can see right there, it does require 30 pieces of fine timber, 20 pieces of iron ore, 10 pieces of sturdy hide, and 10 pieces of a diamond. Now, once you have all of the materials, just approach any smithy and go over to everyday equipment. And as you can see right here, I can now make the Berner's Pickaxe. Now, for the stats of this, it does have the expert mining ability and the 20% chance to mine additional ore. So this will pretty much help you when it comes to mining some ore for any upgrades that you're going to do in the future. And that's about it on how to get Berner's Pickaxe in Crimson Desert.